Hi guys, it's your girl Lady Delightful here. If you are new or returning, you are so welcome. So in today's video, I'll be installing the boho box braid using the illusion crochet method. Guys, I've always loved this style and I'm so happy that I finally get to try. So let's get started. Okay guys, so to create the illusion look, I'll first of all section my hair into 3 main parts. Okay, at the front I'll box braid each hair to the other. At the middle, I'll do a bit of cam rolls. If you guys still don't know how to cam roll your own hair, I'll leave a link right at the top. So please go and check it out. And I hope that helps. All right. Towards the nape of my hair, I'll do 4 single box braids. Okay, also you can use the rubber band method to achieve the illusion look. Okay guys, so the hair that I'll be using today is from Amazon. It's a 14-inch hair and it's got 16 strands in each part, and altogether I use 7 parts. So for more details guys, check the description box. So the hair came with a free crochet needle, which was very handy. Okay, so to start crocheting guys, you know the drill. Okay, so first of all, you insert the needle into your hair, attach the hair to the hook. Okay, close the latch, gently pull it out. Okay, then attach the end of the hair to the hook again, close the latch and gently pull it out. Okay, and pull the whole hair out. Okay, gently guys, gently. I really hope that helped guys, but if not, please continue to watch the video. All right, okay, and keep repeating the same method until the whole head is full. Okay, and that's it guys. Out, then insert the end of the hair to the hook, then close the latch, then pull it out gently. Okay, then try and pull the whole hair out. I really hope that helps, but if not, just watch the video guys, just watch the video. You then go ahead and give the hair a nice trim, okay? Nothing too fancy, you know, just trim it down a little bit, get rid of excess hair and make sure that the hair is in shape. And voila, we are done. Who's that girl? Hey, la 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 la. Yeah. Oh my gosh, your girl is looking so cute, guys. I'm loving this hair. I like the fact that it's very full, okay, and very light as well. Oh my gosh, guys, I'm loving it. And guys, as I always say, let's get creative, you know. So come up with your own styles. I'm just giving you a few ideas here and there. So come up with your own style, see what you can do with it. The length is perfect. You can wear it very short. You can wear it short, and you can also wear it long. Oh my god, I'm loving this. Guys, if you are able to do this style, please don't forget to tag me in any of your socials. I would love to hear from you. All right, I hope you guys have enjoyed this video as much as I've enjoyed making it. And guys, don't forget to give it a thumbs up. Let me know what you think at the comment box. Don't forget to subscribe, guys. Don't forget to subscribe, because guys, the best is yet to come. All right, okay, share with your friends and family. And guys, I'll see you in the next video. You take care. God bless. Stay blessed.